how to close your Revolut account and withdraw funds. So in here, the very first thing that we want to do is empty all of the vaults, so for that you can steal any stocks or crypto and withdraw all of the remaining flat balances. So in here, if you do have any sort of stocks, you can tap on trade and then sell all of it, right? So if you have any sort of remaining flat balance, you can actually withdraw all of it to your linked bank account. So after doing that, now we'll head to the account closure. For that, simply tap on the profile icon on the top left corner there. Here you'll be able to see the option of close account. Tap on that one, and then what you're going to do is follow the prompt to complete the deactivation, and that is all you need to do. So Revolut will actually send you a prompt on how you'll be able to delete it. Simply follow that, and then like that you'll be able to close your Revolut account and withdraw fund. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.